How to generate video content from text using Google Gemini. What's up, everyone? James here, and I just want to make you aware of this. A lot of people, I think, don't realize just how easy it is to create marketing content, video content using Google Gemini. So check this out. I've come down here and I've selected the video option here in Gemini, and I'm just going to tell it, I'll just give an idea off the top of my head here. Let's say a professional looking man on stage at a convention approaches the microphone and announces copythelist.com has over 100 affiliate programs you can join for free right now. Right? Something super simple. And you can give this as much detail as you want, but just for the sake of the demonstration, I'm just going to go with that. So I'm going to click submit. Obviously, you saw me click submit. So it says I'm generating your video. This could take a few minutes. So check back and see when your video is ready. And so I just want you to see like just how quick this is. So I'm not going to cut the video or anything. This is live. I'm just recording this live. I was actually coming here to do this for myself, and I thought, let me record a quick video just to show people how easy this is, how powerful these AI tools are. And the reason I want to show you this is to make it clear to you that there's really no excuse for not getting traffic from social media these days, particularly free organic traffic, because AI can do all the work for you. It can obviously create text content. I'm sure you've seen image content. And by now, hopefully, you've seen that AI is generating video content. But if not, this is the easiest way to do it. And so I'm using the Pro version of Gemini. I think you need the Pro version to get the video generator. I'm not sure, but there you go. You can see that this video is done already. So let's just go ahead and check it out.
Copythelist.com has over 100 affiliate programs you can join for free right now.
So that's literally it. I mean, you just watched that video be created live. I wish I could get this little text box out of the way so you could see the whole thing, but there we go. There's a button for me to download it. So I've now downloaded this video. I'm about to go upload it to Facebook. Actually, I'll just do that here while we're live. You can see the whole process. So I downloaded that. Now I'm going to come over here to Facebook. It might make me refresh the page here to get this box working. Just a second. There we go. Create post. So I'll click this. And there's the video that just downloaded. So there we go. It generated the video, it generated the audio. It looks super professional, minus the kind of nonsense on the screen behind the guy there. But again, you can dictate all of that. I could make the screen, I could say, with a background behind him that says, you know, and I could tell it my website or whatever you want it to do. But I just want to make this quick demo so you can see in less than a couple minutes high quality video content ready to go. And that's about it. So like I said, you can use this for affiliate marketing, you can use this to promote your local business, you can use this for whatever you want to use this for, but just want to put it out there. If you appreciate me sharing this kind of information with you, go ahead and give this video a like, follow my profile or my account wherever you're watching this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.